Are you getting confused from where to start learning the basics of the technical analysis? Well, at some point of time, I was also in the same situation. By the way, hello, my name is Guru Ravindra. I'm your friend sharing my views and thoughts about the stock market. And in this video, today we're going to learn the simple structure of the basics of the technical analysis. So do watch till the end. With this, let's quickly get into the video without any delay. Firstly, we have to learn about the basic terms of the technicals like support and resistance, volume, demand and supply, candlesticks, and the OHLC of the candlesticks, and the chart patterns, and what are all the tools and how to use them. This was the first thing that we have to do. The second thing is we have to learn about the trend analysis by knowing the trend concepts and the stages of the stock market, and knowing how to draw the trend lines, and as well as the support and resistance levels also. Moving on to the third part, we have to learn about the technical indicators like leading indicators, lagging indicators, and the momentum oscillators, where the leading indicators are nothing but the divergence and the Bollinger Bands. The lagging indicators are nothing but the moving averages and as well as the MACD, and the momentum oscillators are RSI and stochastic RSI, and many other indicators are also there, but these were the few at the basic stage that we have to learn about these things. The fourth thing is we have to learn about the chart pattern analysis by knowing about the gap theories and as well as the trend patterns like reversal trend patterns and continuation trend patterns. By combining these four steps with your own trading style, by taking a proper risk management with having a good psychology of trading, then you can definitely execute a better trade while compared to your previous trades. But before going to this, I would like to suggest you to go for the paper trading analysis before entering into the real world of the stock market, and the best platform is tradingview.com. So here is the beautiful tip I want to suggest for the beginners in the stock market, to go for only Nifty 50 stocks and no other stocks, and as well as no other Nifty, Bank Nifty, and future and options, and other stock options on all the commodities, because there is a greater chance of losing money. So with this, let me help to understand. If the video is informative, make sure you comment below in the comment section, and if you love the content at any point of the time, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because I'm going to make the most important videos about stock market on my YouTube channel at every weekend on around 5 p.m. So make sure you don't miss any of those, and share this video to as many stock market lovers as possible. And thanks for watching the video.